Located in the heart of Italy, Bologna is often overshadowed by its more famous neighbors, Venice and Florence. However, this charming city offers a unique blend of medieval history, rich culture, and culinary excellence that make it well worth a visit. Whether you are an art enthusiast, a history buff, or a food lover, Bologna will not disappoint you. Before we take a closer look at how to spend an unforgettable day in this Italian gem, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more travel adventures. Start your day early with a visit to Piazza Maggiore, the central square of Bologna. The piazza is the heart of the city, surrounded by impressive medieval buildings, including the Palazzo Comunale and the Basilica di San Petronio, one of the largest churches in Italy. As you stroll through the square, you'll be captivated by the vibrant atmosphere, with local cafes and street performers offering a true taste of Bologna's life. The Basilica di San Petronio, built in the 14th century, has a unique characteristic. Its facade is partially unfinished, which gives it a distinct and intriguing character. This incomplete exterior stands as a reminder of the ambitious plans for the church, which were never fully realized. Step inside to experience its impressive sight and simple elegance. One of the largest churches in Italy, it was originally designed to rival St. Peter's Basilica in Rome, which is why it's so vast. Next to the Basilica, be sure to visit the Palazzo D Accursio, also known as the Palazzo Comunale, located in Piazza Maggiore. This historic building offers a fascinating glimpse into Bologna's past, with several areas open to the public, including the beautiful Sala Farnese, a stunning room used for important events and ceremonies. Although many parts of the palazzo are free to explore, if you want to visit the terrace for a panoramic view of the city, you'll need to pay an entrance fee of €5. Next to the Palazzo Comunale, you'll find Piazza del Nettuno, home to the iconic Fontana del Nettuno. Built between 1563 and 1566, this monumental fountain features a towering statue of Neptune, the Roman god of the sea, created by Gian Bologna, one of the Renaissance's most celebrated sculptors. The fountain was commissioned by the Bologna's government to celebrate the city's growing importance and to symbolize its power and independence. Another must-visit spot in Bologna is the Two Towers, iconic landmarks that represent the city's rich medieval history. These towers were once part of a network of over 100 towers built by noble families in the Middle Ages to showcase their wealth and power. Torre degli Asinelli, standing at an impressive 97 meters, is the taller of the two and offers a breathtaking panoramic view of the city and the surrounding countryside. However, be prepared for a challenging 498-step ascent. The Torre Garisenda, originally taller at about 60 meters, was lowered to 48 meters for safety reasons. Before visiting, be sure to check their availability, as maintenance works are often underway and the towers might be closed. Bologna, often considered as the culinary capital of Italy, is renowned for its rich food culture and time-honored traditions. The city is best known for its signature dish ragu alla bolognese, a slow-cooked meat sauce that has become a global favorite. Bologna's food scene goes beyond pasta, with its delicious mortadella, a flavored Italian sausage, and fresh tortellini and tagliatelle. One popular spot to try these delights is Via Peschiere Vecchie and Vicolo Ranocchi, two narrow streets that offer an unforgettable experience with their charming selection of local restaurants, markets, and specialty shops, where you can taste authentic Bolognese delicacies and immerse yourself in the region's rich culinary traditions. Another spot I absolutely recommend to visit is Mo Mortadella Lab, a small shop selling a great variety takeaway sandwiches with mortadella, probably the best sandwich I ever had in my life. However, be ready for long queue. After your satisfying lunch, head to the Basilica Patriarcale di San Domenico. This stunning church, built between the 13th and the 15th century, is dedicated to Sant Domenico, the founder of the Dominican order, and is one of the most significant religious sites in Bologna. Bologna is known for its porticos, covered walkways that line the streets of the city, offering shelter from both the sun and rain. Stretching over 38 kilometers, the porticos are a distinctive feature of Bologna, adding to the charm and character of the city. The longest, the Portico of San Luca, is almost 4 kilometers long and leads up to the sanctuary of the Madonna di San Luca. With 666 arches, it's both a functional and historic architectural landmark, and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. If you are a history enthusiast, the Archeological Museum of Bologna, located in Palazzo Galvani, is a must-visit. It showcases a wide range of artifacts, including prehistoric tools, an Etruscan collection of ceramics and jewelry, Roman statues, mosaics, and tomb reconstructions. The entrance fee is €6 with discounts for students and seniors. Plan a couple of hours to explore and consider guided tours or audio guides for a richer experience. Next, pay a visit to the Archiginnasio, the historic building that once housed the University of Bologna's main campus. As one of the oldest universities in the world, the university's legacy is deeply embedded in the city's identity. The Archiginnasio is a magnificent example of Renaissance architecture with its elegant courtyard and intricate fresco adorning the walls. Entrance is free, making it an accessible and enriching stop on your tour of Bologna. As you explore the building, take note of the hundreds of coats of arms of former university students which are engraved on the walls, a testament to the institution's long-standing academic tradition. Next, if you are interested in art, visit the Pinanoteca Nazionale di Bologna, an art gallery featuring works by masters like Raffaello and Tiziano. Spanning art from the Middle Ages to the Renaissance, it offers an intimate experience with Bologna's cultural heart. The entrance fee is only €10 and it's a great place to enjoy art away from the crowds. Last but not least, head to La Piccola Venezia or Little Venice, a charming hidden part of Bologna. This picturesque area with its narrow streets and canals offers a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. The area has become increasingly popular on Instagram in recent years, thanks to its unique charm and photogenic setting. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more travel adventures.